Processing payroll in Paylocity is a straightforward process that ensures employees are paid accurately and on time. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Paylocity. Visit paylocity.com or use the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Navigate to Payroll. From the dashboard, click on Payroll or Payroll Processing from the menu options. Select Payroll Period. Choose the payroll period you want to process. Ensure that the correct date range is selected. Review employee information. Verify employee data, including names, hours worked, salaries, and deductions. Check for any changes in employee status, promotions, or adjustments that need to be reflected in the payroll. Enter payroll data. Input any manual adjustments such as overtime, bonuses, or deductions. Ensure payroll information is complete and accurate. Review payroll details. Double-check all payroll data for errors or discrepancies. Validate taxes, benefits, and other deductions. Approve payroll. Once verified, click on Approve Payroll to proceed. You may need to enter an authorization or confirmation step. Finalize and submit payroll. After approval, submit payroll for processing. Paylocity will handle tasks like tax calculations, direct deposits, and generating payslips. Review and distribute paychecks. Once payroll is processed, review the payroll summary. Distribute payslips or notify employees once the payroll is completed. Post-payroll steps. Review any issues or discrepancies that arise after payroll has been processed. Use Paylocity to manage employee communications regarding paychecks and tax forms.